Hey there, how you doing? We just spoke earlier, and I am so sorry. I was having little minor connection issues on my side, and I couldn't hardly hear, and I didn't get your name. I was so focused on the email, and I'm sorry about that. But here's the video I wanted to show you. Again, my name's Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. This is a video with a few tricks and tips that you can actually do in-house yourself to bring in more business using your website or your Google business profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. Now, I love this. It just flows so well. Kangaroo. I love it. Me and my daughter was looking at it, and she loves kangaroo. But not a bad site actually overall. I love the kangaroo. We hop on it. Home expert. EcoHome expert. Like I love it. Coming here just makes you smile when you first open up this website. But my biggest suggestion here would be that you need to add more content. Google loves content, and they want to see a minimal of 1,500 words on this home page. And throughout that, you want to have buyer intent keywords. And a buyer intent keyword is just simply the service that you provide and the city that you provide that service in. That way, when the Google bots that crawl your sites, they crawl it 24/7. When you have specific words in your website, the bots will ping those and recognize this as a roofing website, a repair website, a siding, or a solar website. So you want to really make sure that you've got good, strong keywords throughout your content. Now, another thing, whenever you're saving your photos and videos, make sure that you save those as keywords as well, because that is considered content. Now, you got your click to call up here. You got your contact up here, which is great. That's exactly what you need to do, because some people want to call. More than 50% of people are searching on their cell phones. Some people are too shy to call, so they will actually hit the contact us button up here. Now, what I've done is I've actually taken your website and put it in a tool I use called Ahrefs. And what it's going to do is going to give me your analytics and where you're sitting in Google's eyes. So this is a UR, which is a pretty good UR score, and this is your DR. This is simply saying this is the trust your website has with Google, and this is this is the strength, and this is the trust that your website has with Google. Now, you have 669 backlinks, and you've got 86 referring domains. A backlink is one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. These are what really powers your website. These backlinks are very important. So you want to make sure that you're not getting spammy backlinks. Make sure that you're getting more authoritative backlinks that's relevant to you and your industry, and that's local to your business. Now, you've got 115 organic keywords. These are the keywords I was telling you about that actually help your website rank. So having the right keywords in here is going to really drive the right traffic to your website. So Rhino gutter guards is more of a national keyword. Hail damage to tile roofing. Anybody in the United States can type that in and they can pop up to your website. So you really want things that's local to you, like solar panels, Rockford, Illinois. Great keyword. The difficulty is 0, and this is out of 100. The closer to 0, the easier it is to rank. So there's 30 people in Rockford, Illinois searching solar panels each month. So if you get on top of the searches, definitely in the top 3, you'll get a portion of that. Installation contractors, Rockford, Illinois is another one. I've seen one, roofing contractors, Rockford, Illinois is a great keyword. You just don't have enough content to go in here with this. So you got to have command content that's really talking about what you do and what your company represents. And then when the bots crawl these sites, they'll pick up roofing contractors, Rockford, Illinois. There's 300 people that's searching that a month. Just imagine 10% of that volume. That's 30 people just for one buyer intent keyword that's on your website. Now, what I've done was actually typed in roofers in Rockford, Illinois. So up here is your Google paid ads, which is a really good way to get business quickly. But once you stop paying, of course, you're gone off that front page. So that's the importance of ranking organically. Now, under that is your map pack. The map pack only has room for the top 3, and the top 3 in the public's eyes are the most trusted. They're the best. They're the ones that's going to get the majority of the clicks. So you're not here right now, and that's totally fine because there's multiple ways to get here. You can make sure that you're getting as many reviews as possible every time you guys go out and do a job. You know, cut them a little break of $30, $40 discount, $50, 10%, 5%, something on their next job to leave a review. Or if you've got a really great customer that's happy to leave a review and good feedback, reviews are very important. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet because you do not want to mislead Google. At the bottom of your Google business profile, there's an About Us section. It holds 750 characters. Make sure you get that completely filled out, and you don't want to forget to add keywords in there as well. You also want to post geotagged and geolocated photos weekly. Those really help you rank organically and cement your spot in that top 3. And also by adding citations. Now, a citation is just your business name, address, and phone number, and things like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp. Because honestly, it's just a popularity contest. Honestly, the more information that you get out to as many directories as possible is going to make Google start to trust you more, and then it's going to help boost that business, not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. Now, being in this top 3 up here of the Google Maps is going to give you about 30 to 40% of the traffic that goes to your website and gives you a call from there. Now, down here is the organic section, and your top competitor down here, we don't count the ads. This is your top competitor, so we'll click on their website, Eldridge Roofing. And it's not a bad website, but as you see, they don't have a lot of content. So by implementing and having more content on your site than theirs, you can outrank them while adding those backlinks and such too. Now, the reason I even called today is because I've actually done research in this area, and it is insane. Look at this search volume that you all can be getting a portion of each month, and look at the KDs. I specifically targeted this city because this shows that there's not a lot of competition there for SEO for websites. So roofing contractor as a 2 KD, you know, that takes just a couple of months to start ranking, and then you're getting a portion of this volume. You know, 30 to 40% is coming out of your map pack, but 60 to 70% is coming from your organics down here. So it's very important to be in the top 3 here and definitely be in the top 1 or 2 down here, because then you're going to get a massive share of the searches. So Rockford, Roofers, Rockford, Illinois, another 300. Roofing companies, 300. Roofing contract, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. There's over 3,000 searches right here. And it's not a lot of keywords, you know. It doesn't have to take a lot in order for you to start grabbing these and start ranking for them. Again, I was just super excited to show this part right here. I hope you enjoyed the video. As you see, there's a decent amount of volume here. Once you start ranking, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your website, and then a percentage of that's going to give you a call. And then depending on your closing rate, you can turn them into customers. So I hope this video was helpful and informative to you. Again, it's for free. It's for you. You all can take this and apply it yourself, and I promise you, you will start ranking higher than where you're at now. But if you got any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out. I can be that resource for you. Hope you have a great day. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks again for your time.